If you are experiencing little or no steam, here are some tips. Your water tank may be empty. Refill your water tank before plugging in. Next, check to see if your foot is securely in place. Press the colored foot pedal on the back and lift the body off. Then reattach until it clicks into place. Make sure you are using a working outlet. You will know if the ready light begins to blink when plugged in. Wait for the blinking light to go solid. Then you will press the Steam On/Off button and select a steam level. An important thing to remember is that you will not see an abundance of steam coming from your PowerFresh Deluxe, as the steam is directed toward the floor to deliver the best cleaning results. Next, check your scented disc tray. Push it all the way in until it's flush. We hope these quick tips get steam back with your PowerFresh Deluxe.
Introducing the Light and Easy Multifunctional Steam Mop, the best new way to clean your home with the power of steam. Just insert the mop handle into the steam mop housing, fill the tank with water, power it up, and it'll be ready in less than 30 seconds. Releasing 248 Fahrenheit of superheated steam, killing germs and tackling tough, sticky messes. It provides 3 steam levels for different floor surfaces, including tiles, laminate, hardwood floors, and more. With a 180-degree pivoting head and an extra long 20-foot power cord. That's not all. It's also a detachable steam generator to use as a handheld steamer with additional cleaning accessories. The bristle brush is used to scrub out difficult messes. The window squeegee can easily clean up the dirt and oil spots on windows or shower doors. The cylinder cleaning tool is used to clean flat surfaces such as bed sheets and other fabrics. The jet nozzle can reach into smaller, more difficult edges and corners around your bathroom sinks and more. Let the Light and Easy Steam Mop do all the hard work so
Assembling the Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop is quick and easy. First, attach the Steam Mop handle to the main body. Then connect the Genius Mop head. And just like that, the Steam Mop is assembled. To remove the mop head, press the mop head release button. And to put together the spray pocket mop, simply insert the second handle into the lower pole connector, and then attach the Genius Mop head. That's all there is to it.
Introducing a pet-friendly and multifunctional Light and Easy Steam Mop. It provides 3 steam levels for different floor surfaces, including tiles, laminate, hardwood floors, and more. Fill the tank with water, power it up, and it'll be ready in less than 30 seconds. Releasing 248 Fahrenheit of superheated steam, killing germs and tackling tough, sticky messes. With a 180-degree pivoting head and an extra long 20-foot power cord. The Steam Mop is lightweight and easy to carry. That's not all. It's also a detachable steam generator to use as a handheld steamer with additional cleaning accessories. The pinpoint nozzle helps clean dirty areas around corners and tight spaces. The flat surface scrubber should be used to clean surfaces such as countertops, mirrors,